Okay, I'm just outside, just stretching it up on the fire escape. Heard this fucked up noise. Just want to get this on tape real quick. It's really weird. Okay. Now just listen up. Don't know where it's coming from. Just listen. You hear that? Oh shit! What is that? It's freaking me out, man. Glad I'm getting this on tape. What the fuck? Doesn't help that it's Halloween, man. Spooky. Shit. Yo, what's up, man? Yeah, I'm just doing about to do a workout. Yo, you hear this noise? I don't know what the fuck that is, dude. Yeah, I'll come by probably around 6. You got the margaritas. I'll bring the smokes, man. Know what I mean? Okay, cool. Yeah, yeah. I'm just yeah. I'll let you know. Okay, cool. Thanks, man. Bye. Okay, time to get it done, man. Time to get it done. Let's go. Let's do this. How long do you have to do this before you can do 5? Push-ups. 2. Fuck, it's so hard! May the force be with you. May the force be with you. Fuck! All right. Good work. Oh shit.